Hello friends, good evening. Welcome to the end of the day chart analysis. So the market opened at 16,293 and the market went high until 16,413 and the market closed at 16,191. So these are the support and these are the resistance lines. The support was at 16,200 and the resistance was at 16,394. So initially when the market opened, so to trade today we should look back at Friday's candle. So if you look at the Friday candle, it was a huge trending day. So as we discussed in some of our videos, after a huge trending day, the next following day would maximum be the sideways day, like this. So after opening, almost first half was a huge trending day, and later at the second half, at the closing time, the market went back and formed today's low at 16,191. So it was clear that the market 95% would be sideways. So it went up and it came back down. Now what will be the trading plan? So as we have drawn this resistance and this support lines, so I was waiting until market either crashes down the support line or takes support somewhere here and forms a green candle. And we also have pivot somewhere here, so it acts as a strong support as well as resistance too. The market is below here, and if the market is growing like this, it acts as a resistance. So if the market is above the pivots, it acts as a support. So once the market came here and formed this green candle, so we could go long here and keep our stop loss somewhere here, not below this support line but somewhere in this region. So we could have gone long until the day's high or until the resistance line. So unfortunately we couldn't enter in this candle. So at the time when I saw this candle, it was almost at this point, so I couldn't take huge risk, so I didn't take my trade in this first entry. So I waited until the market reaches until here and look for either breakout or look for any negative candles, so that we can go short somewhere here and keep our target at least somewhere here. So at exactly this candle at 12:20, I shorted 50 quantities of 16,200 call option. So the market went up and took the resistance somewhere here and market went down somewhere here. At this point of time I was in the profit of almost 1000 rupees, but eventually market consolidated for a little bit of time somewhere in this zone from 12 to 130, and again market gave a breakout to the top side and it took my stop loss. So this was my second entry. So my stop loss was around 20 to 21 points. So I made a loss of almost about 1100 rupees. So as soon as my stop loss was triggered somewhere here, I again changed my positions. So I went long somewhere in this moving candle. So again I took 450 quantities of call at the same strike rate of 16,200. So I was long now and I bought the call options. So again for this call option, again I kept my stop loss as 20 points. So again when the market went up but it took my 20 points stop loss, and eventually I made a loss of almost 10,000. So as soon as my stop loss was taken, again I reversed my position and again I went and bought 1200 quantity of 16,300 put option. So I bought 1200 quantity of 16,300 put option somewhere in this candle. So my stop loss was very minimum, so I waited only for my 10 points breakout somewhere at this low. So this target has been achieved and hence I made a profit of almost 14,000 rupees. So initially it was in a negative 10,000 rupees, but from this trade we have taken a profit of almost 14,000 rupees. Hence a net to net some 3,900 rupees is a take profit from this trade. So today first trade was somewhere here and the second trade was somewhere here, and this is our third trade. And today there are 4 opportunities and this is also one of the trading opportunities. We could have gone long somewhere here. So that's it for today guys. This is the chart analysis for today's Nifty's chart. So let me go back and show my positions. So guys, this is the order book. So as you can see at 12:17 we have taken 16,200 call option. We have sold 50 quantities as 250 rupees. So at exactly at 130 we have bought back 50 quantities of at 271. So we made a net to net loss of almost 1000 rupees. So again we reversed our positions somewhere at 134 and we bought 450 quantities at 272 and it was a stop loss of almost 20 points. So 20 points of 450 quantities, it translates to almost a loss of 9k. So again as soon as I have taken the loss, again after 2 minutes at 145 I have reversed my trade and brought again the put options of 16,300 strike price. So 1200 quantities at 141 0.93. So we exited at 159 of 1200 quantities at 153. So if you look at the positions, 16,200 call, so we made a loss of almost 10,050, and 16,300 put, we made a profit of almost 13,960, and then overall net profit was 3,910 rupees. So that's it from today's trade, guys. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.